Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots and lots of unboxings, and I'm the queen of giveaways. I've always got something going on. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Suva Beauty Saffron Palette. Colors are gorgeous for the fall. I put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter this, as well as my many other giveaways that I have going on as well. Put all that information in the description box down below. So today we are talking Facetory. I love Facetory. So I've got two versions of Facetory. I've got the Luxe box, which is a quarterly one, and then this one is every month for $19. And you get 7 face masks in here. Sometimes they'll also throw in some kind of different. So let's dive in and see what we got for the month of November for Facetory. So it says just keep glowing in here. There's always, so Facetory is, they're mainly K-beauty products. So this says, thank you Facetory fam. Happy birthday to Facetory. This November we celebrated Facetory's 3rd birthday and we wanted to say a big thank you. Whether you've been with us since the beginning or recently subscribed, we couldn't have done it without you. It truly brings us joy seeing all the positive feedback and amazing skin transformations from you all. With that said, this month's batch is packed with skin protecting sheets, masks, and skincare goodies. Get in the mood to celebrate while treating your skin. So I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks. Usually I'll do like a calming set, I'll do a hydrating set, I'll do a brightening set, I'll do a peel, I'll do a mud. And, you know, try them on and I'll rank them, let you know what I think about them. So be on the lookout for all of these in upcoming masking videos. So the first product in here is a bonus item. It's not one of your 7. And this is the Skin & Lab Barrierderm Mileage Kit sample. This skincare line helps calm and moisturize irritated and damaged skin barriers. Help your skin with a calming cream, ampule, and balm that bring health and vitality back into your skin. The Barrierderm Ampoule, Gasoline and Ceramides soothe and hydrate dry, sensitive skin. The Barrierderm Cream contains ceramides and phytic acid to moisturize and strengthen the skin's barrier. And the Barrierderm Balm, apply as a spot cream over stubborn dry patches and place where you need extra soothing, or apply a thin layer over cream. This butter-like formula is infused with phytic acid, ceramide, and azulin melt into the skin to moisturize and calm easily irritated skin. I've heard a lot of really good things about Skin Lab, so I am excited to try this one. What is going on with this? It's got this like capsule here at this end, and then it feels like a face mask on this end. What? So this is by Neogen. I do know Neogen is cruelty free. It's a super Hydra Aqua Capsule mask. This unique and interactive 2-step sheet mask helps create a dewy and radiant complexion by providing rich hydration and moisture to help replenish the skin. Why we love it, this one is a great stress reliever after a long day. Amazingly hydrate and soft. It conforms to our faces nicely and is the ultimate relaxing sheet mask. Directions: step hold both ends of the Aqua capsule located on the top of the packaging. With light pressure, break the capsule in half to release the formula into the sheet mask. So you just break it and then it goes right in here, I guess. It's kind of good, helps it, you know, not dry out or anything like this. This does retail for $5. By Round Lab is the apple peeling mask. It's an exfoliating and skin-soothing sheet mask that gives your skin a smooth and renewed look. Why we love it, Round Lab is an upcoming skincare brand in Korea that focuses on nourishing and natural ingredients in their skincare. Needless to say, we are excited to try their mask. The sheet mask contains a gentle exfoliating ingredient, and we love how our skin looks and feels after using this mask. Clear, glowing, and super smooth. It's perfect to use before makeup. Key ingredients are apple fruit extracts. The ingredient helps enhance the skin texture and even out the surface of the skin. Niacinamide, love niacinamide. It's also known as vitamin B3. It improves skin tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $3. By Aroh is the Centella Herb Cooling Mask Pack. It says this mask makes your skin feel smooth and moisturized. And a refreshing skin cooling sheet mask that soothes and calms inflamed and redness. Why we love it? We love that the sheet mask fits perfectly on our faces and does an amazing job relaxing our stressed skin. This mask helps heal redness, breakouts, and dry patches. One of our go-to masks when the skin is freaking out and needs a little extra love. Key ingredients are Centella Acetica extract, a popular calming ingredient. Centella Acetica provides skin healing properties to ensure the complexion is clear and even. It also helps with moisture and skin barrier protection. It also has Fraxinus rhinophila extract. This ingredient helps moisturize the skin and minimize inflammation. Retails for $3. By Elishacoy, which is cruelty-free, is our Hydra mushroom mask sheet set. This sheet mask helps supply moisture to the skin, leaving it fully hydrated and smooth. Why they love it. The sheet mask is one we love to use in the morning or daytime. The essence absorbing quickly into our skin and leaving it feeling smooth like a velvet. Key ingredients are cauliflower and mushroom extract, a superfood that has great anti-aging properties. This ingredient also helps hydrate the skin and prevent acne. Trehalose is an ingredient, functions as a great antioxidant and skin moisturizer. It reflects the natural moisturizing factor found within the outermost layer of the skin. That's kind of interesting. Looking forward to this one. Ooh, I have tried masks from Dr. Hung Beauty before and loved them. So this one, it's a Huangjisoo Tea Tree Soothing Mask. It's a sheet mask, helps soothe and calm redness and acne. The sheet mask helps gently heal the skin while ensuring it's moisturized and protected. I do know that they are cruelty-free, so that's a big bonus. And why we love it, we like using this mask at night because it helps heal our breakouts without drying our faces. We were left with a dewy and clear complexion afterwards, so satisfying. It also contains EWG certified ingredients, meaning no harsh chemicals or harmful ingredients. Key ingredients are mushroom extract. This ingredient helps enhance the skin moisture retention as well as fights inflammation. Tea tree leaf oil, an ingredient known for its healing properties. Tea tree helps kill bacteria in the skin and also treat acne. This retails for $6. This one's kind of pretty. It's the Lassie'el Bee Shine Jewelry Mask in Aqua Aura. It's a brightening and renew your skin with a sheet mask that's infused with skin illuminating ingredients, giving you the ultimate glow from within look. I love using stuff like this before I do like a big night out. Why we love it. We can never have enough sheet masks that amp up our glow. This one does just that with key ingredients that make us feel pampered and fancy. Key ingredients are diamond and sapphire powder. These ingredients help brighten dull skin and add a beautiful radiance. The spirulina plantain extract. This ingredient helps clear skin from acne and inflammation while providing protection from free radicals. This retails for $3. By ID Plascosmetics is the IDAZ Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. It's a luminous hydrogel sheet mask that revitalizes the skin and promotes radiant complexion. Why we love it, this hydrogel sheet mask is the epitome of fancy. It's gold, it's sparkly. What more can you ask for? We love using this when you're looking a little haggard and exhausted, and it helps brighten our faces. Key ingredients are gold, a skin brightening radiant ingredient, adds shine and radiance. Honey extract, a natural humectant that heals, calms, and moisturizes the skin. This retails for $5. The last item in here is also a bonus item. It is from ID Cosmetics as well. It is the IDAZ Face Lit Filler. It is in the tint and it's in the shade Natural. Since it's our birthday month, we wanted to include this product to help glam up your look. This product makes our lips feel hydrated, plump, and fresh with a wonderful minty cooling feeling. Apply alone for as my lips, but better look over lipstick for an extra hydration and shine. Key ingredients are the triple hyaluronic acid. This ingredient adds extra hydration and smooths out the surface. It also has luscious alabas seed extract. This ingredient helps renew the skin's outer layer and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $20.50. So this right here, the bonus item paid for this box. I love Facetory. What that kind of looks like. Love it. I cannot wait. I love this. I love Facetory. What did you guys think? Do you like Facetory? You know, I think they're amazing. They do a really good job. You really get your money's worth in here. Speaking of which, so I added all these up and it comes to $49. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.